Hi, this is Tom Nunamaker with Aeromir Corporation. I'm going to show you how to use the new trade tracker. First, where is it? It's on the Tools menu under General Trading Tools, Trade Tracker. So once you come here, you'll see a blue box with all the filters you can use. If you have any classes that you're a member of, like the road trip trade, you'll see that in the drop down, and you can see road trip trade classes as we get those, or the trades as we get those in here. None would be for trades that you put on yourself, so you're not associated with a class. And then all obviously gets both. You can change the sort. The keyword search searches on the trade number, which is an integer, and then the description. So if you want to use the description to find things, or your trade number, it's pretty fast with the keyword search. Visibility, there's three modes. Private, only you can see it. Public, everyone can see it. And protected, it's protected with either a hash, and I'll show you how to get that and send it to somebody, and also change it. Or if you're a member of a class, then those will be protected to only class members. Status, open and closed trades are all date range, and then a few little helpers for the dates, and then a reset. So on the list of trades here, we just have one. If you click on the little view icon, it'll expand and you'll see the trade, and now you'll see all the open and closes, the adjustment history down here, and then these are all the open calls and puts with the strikes, and then all the trade images, and these are thumbnails, so if you click on it, you'll pull up the full size version of it. Now we're not the owner of the road trip class here, so there's no pencil icon here, but if you create a trade, you'll see that. So let's go ahead and do that. To create a trade, you just start out, I'll give it a name, test. Now the trade number, I'm going to start using like 19001, 2019, the first trade, and it'll let you go up to over 100 trades, actually 1,000 before it breaks that. And then I'll make this a private one, and I'm not associated with a class, so that's not a choice, and we'll go ahead and create the trade. So now we've got the basics set up, and let's do like SPX, and you see it copies it down here, and then letter A is usually trade launch, and we'll do say a 10 lot butterfly, and it alternates it when it first fills it in, plus minus plus minus. I'll pick an expiration, say June, and let's do call butterfly. Market's about 28.50, so maybe 2900, 28.75, 28.40. So this will be at the money. So let's say, I don't know what the prices are. Say $20. Maybe this is 14, and this is in the money. So maybe it's 30. Okay, so now we have our butterfly on for $4. That's probably wrong prices, but I'm just guessing. It's just for illustration purposes. So what do we do from here? Well, you can put notes in here. So here we have a trade launch, and whatever other notes you want, maybe SPX at 28.55, something like that. Maybe the volatility, whatever you want to put. If you want to delete these, you just hit the little trash can icon, and then that node will disappear. And you can see we have a call butterfly here with the strikes, so that's working well. Now these icons, this is for erasing the closed lines, and these let you split. That's a knife, lets you split this into multiple contracts. So if you're going to sell part of the butterfly, for instance, you can do that. Now this lets you duplicate a row, this deletes a row, and this expires a row. So let's say we split this. We're going to sell out half of our butterfly. So let's split it. It might be like 6 and 4. So once you have the total equal, then it'll be like that. Then this will be enabled. So you split the row. So now we have a 6 and 4. And now let's split this. Now notice it's negative. So we did 6 and 4, so minus 12 and minus 8. And then this one will go 6 and 4. Okay, so now let's sell out our 4 lot, and we'll call that trade B. Oops. And we'll do that, I'll say the same day. And we'll do it for 31. And let's see. Let's sell out this one, B, 522, and we'll call that 19, and then this one, I'll call that, I don't know, 13 and a half. Okay, so according to this, we made $1,000 profit selling out that 4 lot. Now, you notice the closed lines are in pink background, and you have a new button here, hide closed legs. So if we click that, now all we're seeing is the open legs, and that checks with our open things here. Now you probably want to write a note like market moved, closed, 4 butterflies. Okay, so here we have it. Now, if we show this and we want to, say we made a mistake, we want to change this, we can just delete the whole thing like this with a JavaScript click, and we just have to put it back in. So 30.75. Now that's probably didn't need to do the whole thing. You could just change the price like 30.8, something like that. So if you want to add images, you can do that. So let's just go to description, my description. We'll choose a file. Let's see, any image will do here. Let's see, how about a PayPal logo? Okay, so here's your PayPal logo. This is actually the thumbnail. If you click on it, you'll see the full-size version of that. Here's your description, or title and your description, and then here you can edit it. So if you don't want this anymore, you can just click on this button and hit update record, and that just deleted the image. So that's how you can manage the images. Now as far as the sharing, this is private, so even if the only one that this URL will work for is you while you're logged in, nobody else can see this trade. If you set this to protected, now this hash, see the hash in here, that URL, if you send that to somebody, then they will be able to load this page, but that's all they'll see. And after you send something out like that and you want to revoke their access to it, all you have to do is click this button, change the hash, and now that URL that you sent out is no good, and if they try and use it, they won't see anything. They'll need the new one, and you can send that to whoever you want. So that's basically it in a nutshell. I hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions, let me know. But yeah, enjoy the tool, and I look forward to your feedback. Thanks.